What is verb? A word that shows an action is called a verb. For example, walk, speak, run, buy, eat, etc. Verbs can be expressed in different tenses, depending on when the action is being performed. Here are some examples. Jennifer walked to the store. In this sentence, walked is the verb that shows an action. It happened in the past, so it is a past tense verb. You were a great singer. In this sentence, the verb is were. It shows a state of being that was in the past, so it is a past tense verb. After lunch, I will call my mother. In this sentence, will call is the verb phrase. It shows that something will happen in the future, so it is a future tense verb. Mosquito bites itch. In this sentence, itch is the verb. It shows a current state of being, so it is a present tense verb. Share more verb examples in the comments. For learning verb types, keep watching Miss English.